In late February of 2026, actor Jim Carrey made a public appearance at the 51st Cesar Awards in Paris. But the internet immediately had questions. His appearance sparked widespread debates, memes, and full-blown conspiracy theories ranging from plastic surgery speculations to claims that someone put on a mask. Here's what actually happened, and how it became one of the most viral celebrity controversies of early 2026. Jim Carrey is a Canadian-American actor and comedian, best known for his highly expressive face and comedy in films like The Mask, Ace Ventura, and The Truman Show. His face expression is what is key to understanding why his 2026 appearance generated such a strong reaction. On February 26th, Carrey was honored with an honorary César Award, that is the French equivalent of an Academy Award. Videos from the event circulated online almost immediately, with viewers noting that Carrey looked noticeably different from how he appeared in earlier years. Comments focused on what appeared to be a smoother, less mobile face, a voice many described as unusual, and what some claimed was a change in eye color. This led to two main camps. The first group pointed to cosmetic procedures, specifically Botox and other facial treatments. Plastic surgeons quoted by outlets including the Daily Mail and Parade magazine weighed in, speculating on possible procedures. The second group went further, suggesting that the person at the ceremony was not Jim Carrey at all, but a double, a so-called fake Jim Carrey. The conspiracy angle gained traction for a few specific reasons. Jim Carrey had been largely out of the public eye before this appearance, making the visible change more striking to those unfamiliar with his more recent looks. Additionally, Jim Carrey himself had a well-documented history of making unconventional, philosophical statements in interviews. Clips of him saying things like, "I'm dead" began circulating alongside the Cesar footage, which some users framed as cryptic warnings. This combination of a changed appearance, a long absence, and out-of-context interview clips created ideal conditions for viral conspiracy content. Jim Carrey's appearance at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction ceremony on November 8, 2025 had already drawn tabloid coverage, with OK Magazine running the headline, "Jim Carrey looks unrecognizable." However, that story did not go fully viral at the time. The Cesar Awards appearance on February 26th changed that. The very next day, ex-user Right Angle News posted a clip of the ceremony describing Carrey as having an unrecognizable appearance and an apparent eye color change. That post received over 6.5 million views within 4 days. On February 28th, ex-user David Wolf posted a side-by-side image comparing Carrey's appearance in 2006 to 2026. He captioned it simply, "What do you notice?" That post reached over 15 million views in 3 days, becoming one of the central images in the discourse. The conspiracy side escalated on February 28th when TikToker Young and Reckless posted a video alleging Carrey had been replaced, which received almost 3 million views in 3 days. And on March 1st, makeup artist Alexis Stone posted on Instagram claiming to have impersonated Carrey at the ceremony using facial prosthetics. The post got over 500,000 likes in 2 days and was widely shared as supposed proof of the conspiracy, though USA Today's AI detection system flagged one of Stone's photos as digitally altered. But looking closely to the image, it appears to be AI. Mainly because everything is so perfect in the shot. What's also impossible to do in a mask is get those perfect mouth movements. So the answer is quite simple. The person on stage was Jim Carrey and no one else. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.